Who else has come? Ikwan. Hi, Ikwan. Morning. I will local mean time, which was to do with the local meridian, the sun in relation with the local meridian. And the second time that we know is the UTC or GMT, which is taking the zero meridian at Greenwich as the datum. Okay. But still, this doesn't make for a standard time because both of them have difficulties as far as civil daylight goes. Yeah, okay. So we will have to have something that is related to civil daylight. While yes, local mean time (LMT) is to do with daylight, but it still doesn't suit our purpose as a civil day, because we said that should, to the extent possible, should be equal hours of morning and night, and it should be standard throughout the year. And that is why we chose what is called as a mean solar day. We took the average of 365 days, we got a mean solar day. And as far as time is concerned, we have only two times at the moment: local mean time, which is to do with the local meridian, and we have UTC or Greenwich Mean Time to do with the zero meridian. Now we have a third time, which is what we all work with, and that is called standard time. Okay, let's get to standard time. Abdul, has the screen changed?
Yes, sir.
You have standard time on your screen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you have this slide on your screen. It is mostly to do with, it is England. Okay, there are 4 places that are shown, and you will notice that when we talk about LMT, even in a small place like this, on it, the local times are different for all of them. Now, obviously, this won't do. We need a standard time. In the case of England, because they have the zero meridian passes through England, right? We have UTC as the standard time in England. Okay, so you've seen here Oxford, London, and Penzance all have 1200 hours as standard time. All countries have a standard time decided upon by themselves. Okay, and they take into consideration what is the extent of their territory and what is in their interest as far as trade and many other issues that are concerned with the country. That is why, as far as Malaysia is concerned, our standard time is a difference of 8 hours between UTC and us. Okay, so standard time is given in the almanac by way of difference with UTC. If you have noticed, actually, Malaysia, if you compare our standard time with the local mean time, it is a way off. It is not in consonance, because you'll notice that sunrises seem sometimes way past 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock or so sometimes. Okay, and when sun sets, there is daylight. You'll see 7 o'clock and things like that, because our timing is the same as that of Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong, all right, and that is necessary for 2 reasons. One is for our trade. We have business relations in this area, in Southeast Asia, and so it is important for us that we work with a time which is common to all these countries. That is one. Second is, we also have to take into consideration East Malaysia. Okay, as a country, mainland Malaysia and East Malaysia, there's a lot of difference if you talk about local mean time. And so we have to have a standard time between us and East Malaysia, that is mainland and East Malaysia. And so our standard time has been accepted as a difference of 8 hours with UTC, which is the same with Taiwan, with Singapore, Hong Kong. Is this part understood? What is standard time? Standard time is a time that is decided upon by a country. Each country nominates a standard time and it is notified in the Air Almanac. Okay? And it is around such time that 1200 hours standard time occurs around midday. Not exactly, but somewhere around midday. So standard time is designated by each country depending on their interest. But they also have taken into consideration that the local mean time, that is 1200 hours of standard time, should be somewhere close to 1200 hours local mean time. It won't be exact, but it will be somewhere around that. Is this understood? What is standard time? Any doubts, anyone? All right. All right. Now, these standard times are notified by way of the almanac. If you see, one page of the almanac is given here, all right? And if you notice on top, it says that these are placed, this particular place, it comes in the almanac, it's in 2 pages, pages 17 and 18. But in this case, it's only page 17 is shown for demonstration purposes. And you see on top, it says, these are places which are faster than UTC and mainly east of Greenwich. So these timings are to be added to UTC to give standard time. Okay. For example, here it says Guam, 10 hours. That means this hour has these 10 hours have to be added to whatever UTC time that we are discussing to get standard time of Guam. Okay, so also France is 1 hour, Finland is 2 hours, Fiji is 12 hours. So this is the time that you deduct from standard time. Sorry, yeah. So this has to be deducted from UTC to give standard time. That's correct. Okay, because we are all east of the 0 meridian. This part understood. You all don't have your almanac at the moment. So in the Oxford, please go to page 414. If you go to page 414, you will see the equivalent of list 1 in page 414. It will be a full page. In the case of the almanac, it comes on pages 17 and 18. And the countries listed in listed under list 1 is countries east of Greenwich, and the hours mentioned need to be deducted from standard time. No, yeah, you have to subtract standard time to get the UTC, or it has to be added to UTC to give the standard time. So you have to add these hours to UTC to get standard time. I hope I haven't confused you. These are the hours that have to be added to UTC to give standard time.
Oh, okay, okay,
Have
sir.
you gone to this page 4?
Sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, who's that?
So Ayman, sir.
Ayman, yeah, Ayman.
So basically, it's not about if it's east minus or west plus, but if we add this, we have UTC. If we add it, then we get standard time. So if we already have standard time, then we just minus it to get UTC.
Absolutely right.
Oh, okay, sir.
If you have standard time, you minus this amount. If you have the standard time, you minus this amount, you'll get UTC. Okay, so these are the countries. If you see the zone time, they will all be minus timing. You see, it will be for like Denmark, it will be -1. Okay, to get UTC. From standard time, you minus 10 hours, you'll get UTC. Standard time Guam, you minus 10 hours, you'll get UTC. That is why places east of the Greenwich meridian in the standard time, in the zone time chart, it is all minus, because from local time you minus that amount of time, you get UTC. Similarly, you from this time, okay, from the zone, not zone time, from the standard time, you minus this and you get UTC. Okay, is that clear? All right. Now, so here it says each country nominates its own standard time, and this time is published in the Almanac. Okay. Now, some larger countries, in this case Indonesia, Canada, Russia, USA, all these places with a large extent, they have many standard times, not one. For example, in the case of Indonesia, you will see 2 of them. Yeah, this all comes under Indonesia, but there are 2 of them. In the case of USA, there will be 3 standard times. Okay, if you go to page 414 in your Oxford, you will see the whole list. Okay, is this aspect clear? All right. Also, you'll notice some places with an asterisk mark. Here. This indicates that they follow what is called daylight saving time or summer time. During summer, for example, in case the sunrise in the UK is 7 o'clock standard time, in summer, their daylights will start early because sunrise is earlier in summer in the northern hemisphere. So they want to make use of that daylight, which is not available to them in winter. So that is why daylight saving time is 1 hour ahead. Here some countries may use summer or daylight saving time. This is normally indicated by the asterisk. Okay, which means that whatever the standard time is, suppose in one of your problems, you say an aircraft takes off at 0630 from London. Their standard time given to you is 7 o'clock. But it takes off at 7 o'clock standard time. But they have daylight saving time and they are using daylight saving time because it is summer. That means their sunrise, as far as they are concerned, standard in standard time terms is 1 hour ahead. That is 6 o'clock. So while the standard time will say 7 o'clock, they are working 1 hour ahead, which is called daylight saving time or summer schedule or summer time. This happens in the USA, in Europe, UK. These are the places where they use daylight saving time during certain months of the year. Is this aspect clear? Now this will be mentioned in the problem. When it is mentioned in the problem, you know that you must go 1 hour ahead of standard time. Clear on this? Now this is only list 1. Okay, this will come to later. That is list 1. Now there are other places which come under list 2 and list 3 according to the almanac, which is in the almanac, it comes on, you note down these page numbers because in your exam you will be issued with the almanac. Yeah, And when, in any case, when we go back to class, you'll get hold of your almanac and you can check these pages so that you get familiar with what is where. You have to be familiar so that during the exam, when you're searching for a place, you shouldn't get lost. Okay, so list 1 is in the almanac is pages 17 and 18. List 2, which is countries which are close to or on the Greenwich meridian. Countries which are close to the Greenwich meridian or on the Greenwich meridian, and they all normally follow GMT or UTC. This will be given on page 19, on the top portion of page 19, and this is called list 2. On your Oxford, you'll get it in page 416. Please let me know if you don't find it. Okay, and there is another list which is list 3, which are countries west of Greenwich or west of the UTC type. This you'll find in the almanac on pages 19 and 20. And in your Oxford, they will be the bottom portion of 416. On the top portion of page 416, you'll get list 2. The bottom portion of 416, you'll get list 3. And it's the equivalent of pages 19 and 20 in the Air Almanac. Any doubts still here? Okay. No doubts? Who all have joined us? Has Ashraf joined? Ashraf, have you joined? Abdul, he's not here today? Abdul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Could you respond at once, Abdul? Because I get worried. I feel I'm talking to the wall, you know, in the sense that because you're my only point of contact with the class. Because when I converse with you, I know that I'm in contact with the rest of the class. Yeah, okay, Abdul?
Yes,
Will
sir.
you please bear with me? Yeah, okay. I hope you didn't go off to sleep, Abdul.
So you can see in the chat someone. Oh, okay.
No, it's okay. I'm just pulling your leg. Okay. You see on your screen the international date line. Yeah, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, this is why we do not follow the international date line as far as the change of date for aviation is concerned, and we've discussed this before. And this is the reason why the date line is in the fashion that it is. Now, Tonga, this place Tonga belongs to Fiji, is part of Fiji. Chatham Island is part of New Zealand. Okay, Aleutian Island is part of the United States. Right? And so the timing, etc., of these rounded off places for the purposes of standard time, their longitude have been spelled out differently. Okay, and when we do some of these calculations, we will see why. So Fiji, Tonga, Chatham Island, and other places near the 180 east-west meridian adjust an international date line for political or administrative reasons. For example, in case Chatham Island followed the local mean time of its own longitude, there would be a difference of 1 day between Chatham Island and its mainland, which is New Zealand. Because of which the longitude for Chatham Island has been readjusted. Actually, the longitude is 176 west. Chatham Island here is 176 west, but it is shown as 184 east, which coincides with New Zealand. 184 east is to the west over here because we are on the anti-meridian. Western longitudes, eastern longitudes, western longitudes. Okay, so that is why 176 west is east of 184 east, which is here, New Zealand. Is this explanation clear? Chatham Island is actually 176 west, but it is counted, it is taken as 184 east for the purposes of time, so that it remains in consonance with the mainland. So when you see Chatham Islands in the list, to get UTC from the standard time, you will find that it is somewhere around 10 hours or something like that. Or maybe 12 hours. When we come to that, we will see how much it is. The correction is heck of a lot because of this. This aspect clear? All right. Now, we will do this later. All right. What we'll do now is we will work a few examples to understand what is this, how do we arrive at standard time from local mean time, and how does it relate to UTC. We will do one of the first problems. Abdul, have you got the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is this chat? Elisha and Shakil, y'all are not on speaking mode. So is it okay what I've spoken till now? Are you comfortable with it? Understood? Yeah, Elisha? Yeah, and Shakil? Yeah, okay, right. What happened? Find LMT in Tokyo, longitude 140 east. Oh. Okay, so oops. Find the LMT in Tokyo, which is longitude 140 east, and the standard time there in Tokyo is 1425. For 1425 standard time, find out what is the LMT in Tokyo on the 16th of January. Okay, so we do the same thing like we did for the previous problem. We divide it in day, hours, minutes. Okay. Now, what is it is on the 16th, and the time is 1425. Okay. Now you go to list 1. No, this is yeah. Go to list 1 and someone tell me what is the time given there now. Abdul, can you tell me how much is the time there in list 1 under Japan or Tokyo?
Japan.
You will have to see it in the this thing in the Oxford, huh? Because if you see it in the almanac on that one page, if you see, you won't get it. Because I think it's on the second page.
09, sir.
The 9 hours. Who's that?
Hakim.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So it's 9 hours. All right. You got it in list 1. Now let's see what do we do. Now longitude east. Okay. Remember the old rule, longitude east, UTC least. Now what are we trying to find out over here? We are trying to find out LMT. For LMT, we first have to get UTC. Okay, so we are trying to get UTC. So UTC, the difference is 9 hours. Longitude is UTC least. That means we have to add or minus.
Minus.
Yeah, minus, correct? So it's 525. Now this is 525 UTC. Now this you have to convert back to local time. Okay. So again, how much is 140 divided by 15? Go Iman.
9
9
hours, 20 minutes.
Yeah. 9 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. Now, do you add or minus this? Remember, longitude east, UTC least. So we are trying to find out Tokyo. So what do we do here? Abdul?
We add, sir.
Add, okay. Okay. So for a standard time of 1425, the LMT in Tokyo is 1445. The difference between LMT and standard time will be around this. Okay, 45 minutes, maximum 1 hour or so, unless it's an unusual place. Is this clear, everyone? Now this is what? This is LMT Tokyo. Oops. No doubts? Okay, I take it no doubts because, all right. Now, let's see if you are in a position to work out these. Okay. So let's find the LMT in Vancouver, in British Columbia, Canada. Longitude is 123 west. If the standard time there is 00, that is 8 minutes past midnight. Okay, now let's see what we need to do. We do the same thing. All right. Okay. Okay, what is the standard time in Vancouver? It is on the 5th of March. All right. All right, Hakim, what do we do next?
We search for the standard time.
Absolutely. And how will you get the standard time? Not standard time. Standard time is known.
I mean UTC.
You have to find out the standard time difference.
Difference.
To get what? To get
UTC.
UTC. Yeah. So, what is the standard time difference? Can you tell me? You will have to go to. Yeah. Did you find it?
Yes.
Oh, very good. How many hours?
8.
Very good. Okay. Okay. 8 hours. And this 00?
Yes.
And which list did you get it in?
List 3.
Yeah, you got it in list 3. Okay. Now this is on the same. It is on the 5th.
Yes.
All right. So do we add or minus?
You add, sir.
Add, because it is west.
Yes.
So it is 0808.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now what do we do?
Then we need to minus the longitude change.
No, that means now we have to find out what is the arc time, 123 west.
Yes.
Okay. So let's find out what is it. How much is it? Divide by 15.
8 hours, 12 minutes.
8 hours. Okay. All right. Now, what do we do with this? It is, we have to minus it. All right. So if we are going to minus it, what will this, oh, okay, minus it. How much does it come to?
Wait. 23.56.
Absolutely good. 23.56. What happens to the date?
The day before. A day before.
So
Yes.
4th of March. Yeah, okay. So when the local mean time in Vancouver is 8 minutes past midnight, okay, in British Columbia, what is the standard time? So the local time LMT was 0008 and the standard time 1 day before is 23:56. Any doubts still here? Ziavi?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Try and let me know, Rajesh. And till y'all
Yeah,
have,
okay, sir.
okay, till y'all have done it, don't allow me to proceed. Ask me to wait. Okay,
Sir,
because yeah, who's that?
Shakil asked you to
Yeah,
repeat.
Shakil. Shakil. Where is the chat? Yeah, Shakil, what is it? Can you repeat? Why do we add, then deduct again? Shakil, are you talking about the one that we are doing now? Yes? Yes, okay. Now, if you notice, all right, we'll get off this. Yeah. If you notice, what is it that we have at the moment? We have standard time. Okay? We have the standard time at Vancouver. All that we have to do is to find out what is the local mean time. Yeah, like I told you, it will be very close to the standard time, and the local mean time will be quite close to each other. But there will be some difference because, like I said, local governments, depending on their convenience, have decided what is the standard time. Now let's see in this case, what is the difference in standard time? The standard time on the 5th is midnight 8. To get local mean time, we have to convert this 0008 to UTC. All right. Then convert it back to standard mean time by applying what is the standard time given in the almanac. That is why we minus it at one time and then we add it. All right. Here what we did was that we found out what is the UTC. Now, will UTC be ahead or behind this time, Shakil? It will be ahead. All right. UTC will be ahead. That is why we have added this. Okay. And UTC is ahead by how much? By 8 hours. That is why we added it and we got 0808. So when it is midnight 08 in Canada, in Vancouver, it is 0808 in Greenwich, that is UTC. Now we have this UTC time. We need to now convert it back to Vancouver time, taking the local meridian into account. And that is why we find what is the local time over here, how much is it? We found out that it is 8 hours and 12 minutes, the local meridian. And we've applied it to the UTC to get local time. Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir. How do you?
Shakil? Wait 1 minute. Huh? Shakil? Okay. Yes.
sorry,
Who's
sir.
this?
Ayman, sir.
Yeah, Ayman.
So how do you get from standard time to UTC? Meaning added or minus
Okay.
by
By the number of hours?
no, by west or east, or by what is stated in the almanac on
It is
top?
stated in the air almanac.
Okay, on top, right, sir?
It is given on top.
Yeah, okay.
So in the case of this list 3, it's in list 3, isn't it? Yeah. What is given over there to get UTC? You have to, what does it say there, Ayman? On top of that page?
Add.
Add. So that is why we added.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Anyone, any more doubts? Let me go to chat. Yeah, okay. Standard time is 14:25 on 16. What is this? This is who's Shakil? Oh, this is the previous one. Okay, Shakil, any doubts now? Okay, you got it. Alicia, you okay with this? All right. Anyone, any doubts? Shall we go on to the next one? Yeah, Abdul?
Sir, please continue.
Yeah, okay. Hey, Ashraf is not here today, is it, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
You're there? Yeah, hi, Ashraf. How come I didn't hear you? Make contact with you. Now, let's do the next one, which is Ashraf, you are here from the start of the class?
I dialed in 20 minutes later. I thought the
Why?
class started at 9:30. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Okay. The standard time in Fairbank, Alaska, which is 148 West, if the LMT is 0614 on the 18th of February. Now, I will do it later. First, I am going to allow you all to do it. Let's see if you get it. Okay. Now, even the Fairbank, you will get, I think it's on list 3. Yeah. Fairbank is on list 3. Please go ahead. Try to get the standard time in Fairbank, Alaska. Follow the method we just did for the previous two.
Is it 0706, sir?
Absolutely. On what date?
Same date.
Yeah. Yes, Ashraf. Correct. Whoever gets it again, please let me know. Even if it's 1 by 1, 19 times, I have no problem. Whenever you get it, let me know. Yeah, Rajesh.
Doing, sir.
Okay. Suren, are you there today? Because I haven't seen you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're there. Okay. Is Izam there? Izam is not there. Gilbert? Is Gulin here today? Oh, okay. Gilbert is there. Connected 15 minutes back. Well, Gilbert, you also mistook time. Who is this? 14, 25, 16 Jan. This is Gilbert, your message? Okay. No, that's not you. Okay, who else got this? Fairbank? Ikwan, you get it? Here's the answer, 6/22, 18 Feb. Not 6/22, Shakil. You should get 0706. Jolene? Abdul, did you get it? Shakil, did you find out where you made a mistake? You should get 0706. I will do it, of course, with all of you. Abdul, any progress?
Yes, sir, I got it.
What did you get?
Same answer, 0706.
Yeah, okay. On the
On
On what date?
18,
On
on
the
18 February.
yeah, okay, all right. Shakil. Okay. Let's do it. All right. We start in the same way. 18th. Zero 06. 14. Okay. Now what we need to do is to, in this case, we have to find the standard time. On the previous ones, we had to find out the LMT, the local time, and we were already given standard time. So that is why in the previous examples, from standard time, we applied the time that was given in the almanac and we got the UTC. In this case, we have to find out UTC from the local meridian. Okay, so we have to find out from 148 west. Now, if you use 148 west, all right, what do you get? Divide 148
9
by
hours,
15.
52 minutes.
How much?
9 hours, 52 minutes.
9 hours and
52 minutes.
good. Okay. Now, what do? We have to
Add.
find out, do we add or minus? Now, we add because longitude west, UTC best. Remember, here we are going to find out what is UTC. So UTC is best. That means we have to add. So that comes to, on the same date of the 18th,
You got
this
16.
is 9 and 6, 15 plus 1 from here, 16, 06.
6 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Now what we need to do is what we did the first time from list 3. How much does it say in list 3? How many
9
hours
hours.
is the difference?
9 hours.
Now, yeah. Now remember that this 1606 is UTC. Yes, correct? Abdul, this is UTC, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So this time. Oops. Okay. This is UTC. Now what we have to do is we have to find out, apply 148, the standard time from list 3, correct? Okay. So what does that do to us?
You need to minus.
Yeah. Because longitude west, UTC is west. So this is UTC. We minus 9 hours from UTC to get. Any doubts? Now this is LMT. Oh, sorry. No. Standard time. Any doubts, anyone? This chat variety. Yeah. Shakil, what have you written in Bhasa, yeah?
No, no. Shaki said that he doesn't refer to almanac. That's why he doesn't get.
But you told him?
Yeah, I told him he need to refer to the almanac to get the Alaska standard times.
Yeah. Hey, Shakil, is it clear now? Okay. Alicia? Alicia, is this clear? Or any clarifications required? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so from the almanac, sir, it said that Alaska is east of the longitude up until west of 169 degree.
No. What does Alaska say?
No, I mean
It's 148
I'm referring this to the almanac.
to list 3.
Yeah, to this tree. It
Yeah.
say that Alaska, beside the Alaska word, it say that the east of longitude, west 169 degree longitude, 30 minutes. So does it mean that this range of the cover from 148 until 169?
1 minute. Let me see what page is that. 140.
I mean,
I
I
also-
referring to the back in
You're
the
referring to
the history.
yeah, in the what do you call it? In the Oxford, huh?
Yeah, in the spot in the history.
Yeah, I'll just see. Let me open it. List 3. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so in the Alaska, right, for the standard time for Alaska,
Yeah.
so it says here beside the Alaska, it says that the east of longitude, west 169 degree, 30 minutes east, 30 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So what actually this means is, because
No,
what,
as far as we are concerned, what does it say? Alaska to summertime, 1.5 hours is kept in these dates. First Sunday in April to last Sunday in October, changing at 4. That is 2. East of longitude west 169.30. Abdul, as far as you're concerned, okay. They are talking about in case it is, more than 169.30, etc. We will stick to, they will not give you all these variations. The questions that you'll get will be only the place. Okay, in which case you refer to Alaska. When we are talking about standard time and LMT, right? You stick to the place Alaska. Don't worry about the longitude that they're given over here. Okay, Abdul, it quite likely means that this is applicable only up to longitude 169.30. After that, it will change.
Oh,
This is what it probably means. All right, but this I will confirm to you.
Okay.
You see, because Alaska, I think Alaska also is one of those countries which are, you don't go exactly according to the longitude. They have readjusted the longitude to merge with whatever is required in the parent country. It's a administrative requirement, I think, but I'll check on this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Like in the Aleutian Islands, it says just below Alaska, 169.30. Because Aleutian Islands also, the longitude has been adjusted for administrative reasons. Like I told you for Chatham, how they've changed over from westerly longitude to easterly longitude to suit the administrative requirement. I think Alaska also, although the same, I will confirm to you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Anyone else, any doubts on this? Let's do. Let's try one more. If anyone has any doubt, kindly ask, or those of you who are on chat, you can attract my attention on chat. Okay, standard time, because I have to go back to that. Just a bit of confusion when to add and subtract. Okay, Alicia, is it clear now when to add and when to subtract, or should I repeat it? I have no problem repeating it. Can we repeat one? Yeah, okay. Why last time? We'll do a number of times, not to worry. When to add and when to subtract. Okay. When you are given the standard time, suppose you're given a standard time of, say, Malacca or Malaysia. Okay. So you're given KL, local time, and they you're given standard time, Malaysia, and they ask you to find out what is the local mean time. And they give you a time of 7 o'clock. Standard time, 7 o'clock, Malaysia. What is LMT in Malaysia? Okay, so what you do is now this standard time, you will convert to UTC. How will you convert to UTC? When the standard time is given, you go back to the list. You go to list 1. Find out how many hours does it say for Malaysia. You'll find it is 8 hours. So from 7 o'clock, and then remember UTC is behind Malaysia time. So you have to minus the time to get UTC. We are ahead of UTC. So our time is 7 o'clock. We have to get UTC. And you'll get in list 1, 8 hours. So those 8 hours you minus from 7, you will get the UTC. And so 7 o'clock minus 8 hours, you'll find is before midnight in UTC time of the previous day. Now you take what is the longitude of Malaysia. Okay, suppose the longitude of Malaysia is 125. This is just a hypothetical case. I don't exactly remember longitude of Malaysia. Suppose 125. So now you have UTC, you have to get to Malaysia local time. So with that 125, you divide it by 15 to get the arc time. Okay, you will probably get 758 or 0805 or somewhere around that. Right? Now what you need to do is you have to add it to UTC to get Malaysia time, because we are ahead of UTC. Okay, so here we add. To get UTC from Malaysia time, we had to minus because UTC is behind. Now we want local mean time and we are ahead of UTC. How much ahead? If you divide the longitude by 15, you'll get 0802, 0758, or it will be somewhere around that, somewhere around 8 hours. But it will be either less or more. So now you have to add that to UTC because we are ahead. Elisha. So basically convert standard time to UTC. Refer to the
Sir,
yeah.
I think most of them are confused between the definition of LMT and ST. That's why they don't know which one to
LMTN
use. Local mean time and standard time. Maybe you can
and standard time. Okay, all right.
you can
Wait,
tell them
let
the
me.
difference. They know
Right.
how to
Okay,
use
I get it. I will just read Elisha so that I just went to. Okay, so basically to convert standard time to UTC, we refer to the list. Absolutely right. Elisha, you're right. To convert from standard time to UTC, we refer to the list in the almanac. Then when we convert UTC to LMT, we have to refer to the arc time. Yes, that is correct. Elisha, okay. So for everyone, all right, since there seems to be a confusion. Standard time is a time designated by the country. The country has the choice. And suppose we are in Malaysia, the Malaysian government has the choice to choose standard time. And they choose standard time by way of saying, we are 8 hours ahead of UTC. Or I decide I am going to be 7 hours 30 minutes ahead of UTC. Or I'm going to be 9 hours ahead of UTC. So I inform the international authorities, they put it in the almanac, and after that, that is my time. Because I am the government, I have decided. What are my considerations to choose this time? My considerations are two. One is, what is the extent of my territory? If my extent of a territory is large, I need to choose a mean time which will satisfy East Malaysia and it will also satisfy mainland Malaysia. That is one. Second is, I do business with Singapore, with Taiwan, with Hong Kong. I need to have a time which is the same with all of us so that my business hours are the same. And so I have decided in Malaysia to choose a time which is common to all these countries and also to satisfy my East Malaysia and my mainland Malaysia. And so I have decided it is going to be 8 hours ahead of UTC. I have notified the international authorities. Malaysia has gone up as 8 hours ahead of UTC. Now, whenever I need standard time, we have to go back to UTC and use those 8 hours to come back to local time. Or suppose I have local time, I want to convert to standard time. I go back from my local time to UTC. Okay? And then convert it to standard time. How do I go back from local time to UTC? By using the longitude divided by 15. Once I do that, I go to UTC. And from UTC, I see what is listed under standard time. It says +8 for Malaysia. So from UTC, I add 8 hours and I come to standard time. Any doubts, anyone? I will repeat, no problem. It is very important that we understand this. UTC and, sorry, a local mean time and standard time. Shakil, is it clear, Shakil? As far as I am concerned, there are only two people without mics. That is Shakil and Elisha. Okay, yeah, Kashif. All right, the rest I am taking for granted that, okay, I am taking for granted you guys can hear, you can speak to me and express whatever it is that you wish to say. Yes. So all of you, all the remaining 17 of you, I don't know whether 17 are there. I'm not sure. I will get to know at the end of the class, hopefully. All right. Now, let's do one more. And I'm keeping a track of time today. It is 10:10. We can do one more problem. All right. Guys, try and do this problem so that if you have any doubts about this local time, standard time, it will get sorted out. So now we have to find the standard time in Georgetown. And these various places are given to you so that you get familiar with the places and where they appear on the list. Okay. Find the standard time in Georgetown, Guyana. Okay. At this location, when the LMT in Sydney, New South Wales, is longitude, the position is longitude 151 degrees 20 east, is 1116 on the 21st of Jan. All right. You need to hurry a little because I have to finish class at 10:30 and I want to do this before we close for the day. Okay, so what you need to do is change LMT Sydney to UTC. Okay, so LMT Sydney is 1116 on 21. So start with the line 21st Jan and 11 hours 16 minutes. All right, then change this to UTC by dividing by 15. Okay, once you get UTC, then you see what is the standard time. Apply the standard time and this given in the list, and you will get the local mean time. No, sorry. You go to the from UTC, then you go to your list and you find out what is the time difference, and you apply to UTC, and you'll get local time, the standard time in Guyana.
Hello?
Yeah.
Is it 22:11
On
previous day, 20th?
yes, Ashraf. 20th, 22:11 is correct. Okay, so what did I tell you? First is convert LMT Sydney to UTC. All right. So LMT Sydney. Is 21. One. Very hell. All right.
So the Guyana Republic is 3 hours. 3 hours, right?
Yes.
UTC.
Yes. 3 hours UTC. Correct. Okay. So this is Sydney. All right. This is LMT Sydney. That is 21st 1116. Now I'm going to change this to UTC. All right. So to change it to UTC, I divide 151.20 by 15. How much do I get, Ashraf?
Can
10
you
hours.
repeat that, sir? Minus the arc time, is it?
Yeah. Arc time. 10 hours, 5 minutes.
And the arc time is 10 hours, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So the
okay.
UTC is 0111 on the same day.
Yeah, 1 minute. 0, 1. Oh, shit.
So about equal 2011.
Yeah. Okay, up to here, everyone clear? This
Okay.
is UTC. Okay, this is UTC. Everyone clear up to here? Any doubts? All right. Now this UTC, when we know UTC, we can get standard time, depending on what is the town. In this case, it is Georgetown, Guyana. If you go to the list, you will find it in which list did you find Georgetown, Guyana, list 3? Okay, Georgetown, Guyana, you get list 3 and it is -3 hours. Okay, so it'll be given 3 hours there, and on top it says deduct. Okay, so if you deduct from here, you get this as 20th. Any doubts, anyone? Shakir, have you followed? Yeah, okay. Alicia, did you follow this part, Alicia? Where to minus and where to add? Okay, anyone, any doubts?
No, sir. Clear for now.
Clear for now? Okay. Now, what I want you all to do is to go to page 407, all right, and do the problems on 407. There are, according to the list, there are just 3 questions, but the number of subparts are so many that they are quite a large amount. Okay. Now, all these are solved in your Oxford. Now, I request you to do the same thing that I've always told you. Please do it on your own. Okay? Only if you have doubts, you refer to what is given in the solution in the Oxford. And even in spite of that, you don't understand, please note them down and we will discuss it in the next class. Okay. Those of you who are not so I take it there is no doubt on this Georgetown Guyana problem. Everyone is clear on this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please go to 407, read some of those problems, see if you think you'll have any difficulty with any of them. If there are any that you can detect at this time that you'll have a problem with, please tell me, because we have 5 minutes. Gilbert, any doubts till now? Okay. Where do we get 9 hours? Shakil. Shakil, what is this question? Where do we get 9 hours? For which problem is this?
Oh, sir, this is not from the previous problem, sir.
Or previous one?
He asking when we do the Alaskan problem.
Oh, Alaska.
No. So
Okay. So he says, why not 10 hours? Shakil, is this aspect clear now?
I explained to him that he need to refer to the almanac to get the standard hours.
10 hours. Oh, okay. So you understood that? Yeah, that's why you've written there. List 3 Alaska. Okay. Okay, Shakil, Elisha, and this fellow Gilbert. I have 3 of you all on this chat. Gilbert, any problems now? Anything that you didn't understand? Please confirm, Gilbert. Shakil, kindly confirm. You're okay? Gilbert, I've not got any answer from you. Yeah, Elisha says okay. All right. Anyone, any doubts on the questions that you have to do? Page 407. Now remember, please, what I told you. Okay. Do not refer to the answer straight away. If you have any problems, go to the answer. And even then you have doubts, then you record it and we will discuss it in class day after tomorrow. All right. Suren, are you still online? Suren, I don't even see your name here. Suren has left. Okay, I'm not getting Suren. Izam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye, Izam. Ayman?
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Ayman. Bye, Rajesh.
Bye, sir. Sir, we only need to do page 407, is it?
No. There are 3 questions. It stretches over 3 pages, I think.
Oh, okay.
You understand? I want you all to do all of them. Don't
Okay,
just do 407. 407.
Okay.
There are 3 or 4 questions only. but there are large number of subparts. There are large number of questions. Kindly
Alright.
do all of them. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Rajesh, Gilbert. Gilbert is not even responding on the chat. Gilbert, bye. Can you hear me? All right. Can't hear him. Hazik. Bye, Hazik.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, okay. Nina, bye, Nina.
Bye, sir. Sir,
Except for,
do we
yes.
need to do it on paper?
You know, all the problems that I've been telling you to do, I will see it once Academy opens, all of them. From Mercator to Lambert to Polostereographic to time, all the ones that I've asked you to do, I expect you all to do it properly to be presented to me. Even this one, Nina. Okay?
Oh,
Clear?
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you and bye-bye. Zoe.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Goodbye,
Zoe.
sir.
Yeah. There.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Yeah. You stayed awake there.
What?
Good for you. No, I don't know. Because there's long periods of sleepiness of yours. Okay, Alicia. Bye. Gillen, I haven't seen on chat. Neither have I heard him. Okay. Lynn. I didn't say hi to Lynn today. Bye, Lynn. Bye, Ashraf. Bye, Iqbal.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye, Hakim.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye-bye, sir. Hakim, bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bo Julian. Bye, Julian.
Bye, sir.
And outside? I didn't get outside today. Yeah. Okay. Bye, Shakil. Thanks a lot. Bye. Bye, Abdul.
Yes, sir. See you.
See you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Anything? Anything, Abdul?
Sorry?
Did you call me? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Yes, sir.